This 2018 Winnebago Fuse 23A is a Class C RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bath. This 2018 Winnebago Fuse 23A is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.